like this is a whole web server that's serving an API and also serving a full website. There you go. Jeff's got it. He's on it. So we are getting this, it's just not serializing it. Can we force serialization? Go Rest.js. Oh, do we already? No. Let's look at the source code. So, right. So where's the response writer? So response writer, write JSON, encode JSON. Let's see what happens if we try to use that outside. Awesome, Jeff. Yeah, you're welcome, man. I haven't put it anywhere in the stream information, so if someone asks for it and you're around, feel free to share it. So we should be able to, with the response writer, which is W, encode JSON. Let's try it. So we're going to do w.encode JSON and then list. Let's see if that worked. So what do we get? Oh. So encode the data structure to JSON, mainly used to wrap response writer and middlewares. Okay, write headers. So to return a byte. Wrap it in a string, or do we have to like strings dot something 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 something? Yeah. So I think we could do string maybe. Multiple, oh, right. So b equals w.encode. They are MX Browns. Nice ears. So then we want to change b into or. Define string b. Undefined format print line. Good. Why is that undefined? 97. Oh, because it's not an application. So this is what we're getting. So we are encoding it properly. What happens if we do that with the other stuff? Oh, thanks. Yeah, I got it, but thank you. Ugh. I should probably change my font to make that more obvious, but whatever. So it just errors out there. Ugh. Why would it just error out there? Thank you, Gorilla 076 or 076. So let's see if I remove this. Does it work? Yeah. So no, it doesn't work at all. But why? Do I have to define those structs in there? Because that'd be silly. That would be silly. Order shouldn't matter ever, but it may. Alright, see you later, Gorilla. Thanks for the kind words. So still nothing. Alright, well that's fine then, whatever. Okay. We will mess with that later. I'm just gonna remove it for now. I will figure it out in my brain while I'm doing all this other stuff. Get combined is undefined, of course it is. Nice. Alright, so we're still getting this. So then when we come into this, we want a blank page. So we don't want to get all nodes. So basically, we do have a title here, right? I don't know. I assume we do. We do, it just doesn't have anything in it. So let's make at least something there. So that's going to be in list, right? Might be in B3. Nope. 12. So state.list, which will have this. Console. Can I remap because it's trying to post that. All right. So set name is what got called. Right? Pretty sure. Okay. So this is where it got called. So basically, we want to know if, what is the default? So default of underscore nodes is nothing. So really we need to know if it's a new list or not. So let's do this. If type of underscore nodes that ID equals undefined, then it's new list time. Otherwise, I'm gonna do this regardless. So really we want to set the name regardless. And then we'll do list.id equals oops. So if it's an existing list, we're going to save the list. If it's not an existing list, then we want to create a new one, which means that we don't need this ID, but we need to call this. Alright, so create list function. Alright, so in that case we'll create the list, which will basically do this but a post. We don't need the, oh, we do need that. We should have that. And this will be a post. Let's see how that does. So get all nodes is still calling. So we post to a list. We created a new list, but we're not taking that information into account. So when we do the get all nodes, which it's not in the data store, it's in the data UI stuff, which is over here. So basically here we have to pass the list ID that we got. But we need hi Thundercats. Oh, I already said hi because your name's awesome. No, for a server we're using Go, and for a database we're using MariaDB, which is a fork of MySQL. So data should have what we need.